Hi everyone, this is Derek with Lyonic. This video is a walkthrough of installing the Firefox web browser add-on for your Lyonic Lock password manager, also known as Passportal. First, open Firefox, then click on the menu bars in the top right corner. Next, select Add-ons. Now we'll do a search for Passportal. Here it is. We'll click on Enable Passportal with the purple icon. Next, we'll click on Add to Firefox. When prompted, click Add. The extension is now installed. Click on OK, got it. Now that the extension is installed, you can go ahead and log in. Click the extension icon in the toolbar, the key here. Then enter your email, your password, your organization key, and then choose your country. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to enter your code. That's all for now, everyone. If you're using Google Chrome, check out our training links. We have another walkthrough of this same process using Chrome. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.